Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. With the Ford parked and ignition on, turn Bluetooth on your iPhone and keep it unlocked so the system can detect it. On the Edge's sync screen, open Bluetooth settings and remove any unused devices if you've hit the pairing limit. This clears conflicts and speeds discovery. Once sync shows add a device or pair phone, tap that. On the iPhone, watch for the Ford name under other devices and tap to begin pairing. When the Ford and iPhone present the pairing PIN, compare the digits and confirm on both screens. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby cars. After pairing, grant contacts and messages access so calls and text notifications work through the Edge. Without that, hands-free features are limited. Next, enable the phone and media audio profiles so music and calls route properly. If your Edge supports Apple CarPlay and you prefer it, connect the Lightning cable or enable wireless CarPlay per the sync prompts. That replaces basic Bluetooth. Finish by setting your iPhone as the vehicle's primary phone in sync so it auto-connects when you get in. Make a quick test call and play a song to confirm microphone, call audio, and media volume are correct. Adjust input/output if needed in sync audio settings. If the phone won't connect, first reboot the iPhone and the infotainment system, then toggle Bluetooth off and on. If problems persist, use Reset Network settings on the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.